Alright YouTube, well in this video I'm going to show y'all the parts of my Irish bouzouki. I'm going to start all the way up at the top, and we got the headstock with the machine heads. There's 8 of these machine heads. So there it is. I really love my Irish bouzouki. I love it just as much as my bagpipes, my small pipes, and my harmonicas as well, even my bass recorder and my Irish flute. Tin whistle as well. I actually have my harmonicas with me. I'm going to see if I can try and incorporate harmonica music into an Irish jig or something like that. Then we have the fingerboard. There's the nut right there. The fingerboard, the strings are there too. And the neck of the board. The neck of the instrument with the fingerboard on it. Then we have the body of the instrument, back, and the back is made of dark wood, and the front is made of a lighter wood, probably maple, and maple back and sides with a spruce. I don't know if spruce is a dark wood, but there's the bridge right there, the tailpiece, where the strings go into there, and there's a strap hook right there with the power jack to hook it up. Then on the back of the instrument, there's the sound hole right there. Wow. Just look at those nice shiny strings. Wow, I'm going to have to clean my strings off a little bit just because I don't want them to become blackened. Although they do that naturally, but I kind of want to clean them anyway. There's the strap hooks right there. There's a strap hook on the back right there. And right here we have the controls for the tone of the instrument, because this is also acoustic and electric. We have volume, this is bass, mid, and treble. And there's our regular knob right there for volume. And if I balance it this way, you just balance it up like that. Now I can see them better. We have the bass, the volume, or middle, and treble. And these are notched sliders, so when you slide them either way, and if you slide them towards the middle, they're back in their original position. There's the volume knob. Now, if I pull this thing, there's no battery in it, but there's actually a housing. This is the housing for a 9-volt battery, so this probably takes a 9-volt battery. There's the terminals in there. Slide this back in. There we go. Now I'll play out with a little something on my bouzouki. So I'm going to come over here, set y'all up. I will play y'all out with maybe a little reel or something like that. Set y'all up like that. Hope y'all are set up good. There we go. Alright, here we go. Same one that Brent Matusik played. Alright. There we go, YouTube. There is the parts of my Irish bouzouki and a little playing of an Irish reel or something like that. Alright, there we go. I actually kind of made this video kind of like how Angelo Childs did like the Sparkling Symphony Gym and all that stuff. Well, instead of a Sparkling Symphony Gym, this is an Irish bouzouki. And there's the overview of it. Looks really awesome. Alright, thanks for watching, and more to come later.